Enough about me, what about me? Moving the last few things out of our old house, this thatched round hut in Africa. That's been the home of SOS News for 11 years. And I've taken this GUTMA image off the wall, torn it, I had to print myself another one. And if you watch Drone Stuff this week, you'll know that I rib Richard Parker quite a bit about Know Your Enemy, and that's GUTMA. And something's always bothered me about this sort of, I don't know what grown-ups call layouts like this, whatever this info thing means. And I tell you, it's as I've taken off the wall, I've realised what it is. The operator is last. GUTMA is considering the operator last. Everything should start from the operator and work back towards the air traffic management system, not the other way round, if they want to integrate in our world. Anyway, next time, Richard, I know you're a board member of GUTMA, and I rip you about it. But next time we chat, maybe we can talk about why it's not operator focused. Here ends this morning's moving rant. On a separate note, Bruce is having problems with flies in New Zealand, and further around in our part of the Southern Hemisphere, we're also having problems with flies. Bruce, I find these work really well. I'm not sure if they're legal everywhere else in the rest of the world. I think we still get anti-bug products that are illegal everywhere else here. But anyway, there we go. That's Africa for you. Bruce, if you don't know it, is XJet or RC Model Reviews, and he is the voice of reason on our Tuesday night hangouts. He always comes up with the right answer, things that I should have thought of but have never managed to. So don't forget to tune in every Tuesday, 2100 GMT, to hear the voice of reason.